Hello, my name is Gemma Terlizzi. I'm a master's student in museum education at IED. The museum education final project focuses on Museo Sant'Orsola. We are currently working on a podcast that will accompany their upcoming exhibition. I am in charge of the archival research. My role is to explore all the bibliography, providing clear notes and summaries for my colleagues, so that everyone can easily understand the historical key context. I have also been working extensively on the research of Clara Rivault, a renowned historian and professor at the University of Pisa, focusing on medieval women. One of the most meaningful parts of my work was visiting the diocesan archive in Florence, where I consulted original 17th century documents related to the history of Sant'Orsola. Reading and interpreting those old Italian texts was a challenge, but it was also incredibly moving to handle real historical materials and to uncover stories that are not yet known to the public. Every detail, every name, every fragment feeds into the podcast, because this podcast is about truth. And without grounded research, there is no story to tell. Archival work, though often unseen, is where the project truly begins, grounding the narrative in concrete evidence and shaping the voice that will guide each episode's script.